Hey, Dr. Kelly here with Iowa Family Chiropractic. We've been having a lot of patients come into our office lately with fibromyalgia, and the common trend with all of them is that they're not happy with the care and treatment that they've been receiving from their medical doctors. Oftentimes their doctors don't even acknowledge their problem or correctly diagnose them until they've been suffering for way too long. These people come to see us because they want a different approach, one that will actually fix their problem. In our office, we call this our Fibro Fix, and it's probably a lot different from the care you've received from your MDs. It's a treatment approach that will address and heal the underlying cause of your fibromyalgia. Our approach is drug-free, non-invasive, and all natural. The main part of our Fibro Fix is chiropractic care, but in addition, we use this therapy called FSM to accelerate healing. FSM stands for Frequency-Specific Microcurrents, which is a painless therapy that can be used for all types of conditions, including fibromyalgia. Many people with fibromyalgia experience unrelenting neck and back pain. Massage, over-the-counter prescription drugs, and physical therapy may help temporarily, but it doesn't fix the underlying cause. We've found that FSM exponentially increases healing and that muscles that are in spasm actually soften within seconds. I want to show you how this is used to decrease pain from muscle spasm and trigger points. FSM uses electrodes to send a microcurrent into your body. We use warm towels to increase the efficacy of the current, which are placed on the front and back of the body. This therapy can be performed on any area so we can cater treatment to your specific problem. There's a specific protocol with FSM for muscle pain and trigger points that we use to eradicate the pain at its source. The best part? While you receive FSM treatment, you can rest comfortably. We've seen amazing results using this therapy in conjunction with chiropractic adjustments. In the medical world, fibromyalgia is commonly treated with a combination of medications that simply cover up your symptoms of pain and fatigue. But this doesn't fix the problem, it just temporarily hides it. If you're ready to try a different approach for your fibromyalgia, one that actually addresses the cause, we would love to help.